for that. That front wheel went straight up. Hey, the cold start, baby. What y'all think? Cold start of the Yoshi? With the Yoshi pipes? Or the cold start with the toast? Hey! I don't know if y'all are ready for it. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my goodness, listen to that cross plane motor, baby. Oh my goodness. Talk to me, Storm. Let me hit, girl. You just cannot beat the sound of that. Let's hear the jigs. The 750. The 750. Hey. Wake him up. Wake him up. All right, let's get out of here before we get kicked out. Either tuning your bike or spending the money to change your sprockets, I'd change the sprocket all day long. Change that sprocket down one tooth in the front, that's all it takes, and that changes the f***ing game. When you get on this, you're gonna be like, what the f***? You wanna pull over right here? Bike swap. Woo! Alright. He said he can let you ride this next. Woo! Damn, that shit sounds good. Well, I got mirrors on here. Oh, your throttle's a lot more responsive. Oh, wow. That's a different throttle response. Holy cow. I can kind of feel that power difference though. Wow. Oh, look at her. Look at her. That's my girl. That's my girl. Oh, hell yeah. Damn. Wow. Bro, those tire stickers look insane. They look so dope. Oh, I can't get over my bike. You want to race? Your bike feels so much different. Like there's less engine braking. That's what it was. You have no engine braking on this. You switched it. And when they got tuned, he changed it. What do you want to do a roll from? 60? All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I do like the tune though. Wait, what happened? Oh, sometimes it goes in and out. When we did the engine swap, that happened. I'm about to say, there's no way there's that much rider air. But what would you say the biggest difference between my bike and your bike is. Yeah, but there's more torque. Like that's because of the sprocket. Yeah. So your throttle's more sensitive, my bike has more torque. Alright. I'm in second. 60. Yeah. Alright. Go. It's like I don't want my bike to lose, but I also don't want to lose as a human being. Good. I feel like yours is a lot smoother than mine. Like my bike is a lot more violent. Really? Significantly louder or just a little? Jesus on the ride. I love my girl Storm. I love you. Yes, sir. Hey, R1 boy. It is weird being in the same cockpit, but like that completely different bikes feel-wise. I would say your bike just feels more tame. I think because it's quieter, the throttle's a lot more sensitive, and it's just smoother. But once I get my ECU tuned, it'll even them out. But that sprocket difference in the front is nuts. Down one tooth, so torquey. Oh my God. Yo, keep going. Damn. Yeah, you can't see my license plate for You definitely cannot see my plate at all. I fucking love it. I'm cheesing ear to ear my helmet right now. You gotta change your shift light too. Yours comes on at 7K. Your shift light comes on so early. Like what? It comes on 7. That is early. Mine just come on to like 13. Yeah, buddy. Hey, you keep going. You hear that popcorn? Cooking. The Harley boys. Look at that. No love, bro. Harley riders, what the f? Oh! It's my throttle hand. Alright, yeah, that's it. I mean, this is my boy's 2013 Yamaha R1. Pretty sweet bike, but you can definitely feel the difference. The sprocket difference, and you can feel the throttle difference. How much more sensitive it is, a lot more responsive, and engine braking. Holy cow, night and day difference. Like you come up the throttle on mine, it's like, oh, but his is just smooth, it keeps going. I thought something was wrong at first, but that's it. Those are the girls. I stay tuned because we're about to hit the tail. More videos coming, baby. Make sure if you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. That's it, I'm out. Peace. Oh shit, oh man, he got me. Can we stay on here?